this disc is oily, and this disc is bone dry and rusty. Oily because leaking fork seals. Dry because fork seal wasn't leaking on this side. Give this one a tidy up too. Now I've got options. I'll look at replacement discs. I'll consider a colour change for the wheels for next season. All I've used is like surface cleaning wipes just to get them that far. And then when they're very clean, I'll finish off with a bit of auto glim ceramic and they should be looking tip top. I am going to replace the bearings, so I won't be doing any of this until they're done. And I'm sure I'm looking forward to fitting these bearings. But I really ought to rebuild the forks first. There's always more to do. I'm going to send this off for powder coating. Look at it. Minging. At least when I'm looking down when I'm riding the bike, it'll look a bit more tidy.